And now coming out of the Whitgift Centre, and along we go to Primark, and along to the lifts there, which are some Gen 2s.
Going down.
And now go along into Central Shopping Centre. Now this has got nothing to do with Westfield, but since I'm in Croydon, let's go film the rest of the lifts here. And along we go to the first lift, which is the lift in Debenhams.
First floor. Second floor. Doors opening.
And now go along to the glass lift at Debenhams, which is an old Hamden Champions lift. Yes! But it's had its buttons replaced. No! Really annoying. Why'd they have to go and modernise this awesome lift? But at least this lift has glass doors, so we can take a closer look at the U-key mechanism. And now along go into Sports Direct. This used to be TK Maxx, and this shop used to have a really nice old Titan range lift, which is a really rare brand of lift, but this lift is now gone. And now go along back into the main part of the shopping centre and along to a little lift down beside.
Going down. Please mind the door. Doors closing. Going up. Second floor. Doors opening. This lift is under service control. Going down. This lift is under service control. Lower ground floor. Doors opening.